Next up, the Rohan Utility Tunnel Locker. This one's pretty hard to get to as it's very well protected. We're looking at Rohan Oil in the northwest of the map here. Zooming into it, on the north side of it, you'll find a darker section of land, and just above this center big building over here is a small building. This is where the entrance to the tunnels will be, and that's where we need to head. So entering it from the north side over here, we need to head to this left tower here, or rather the east tower, and just underneath it, you'll see an entrance here. We need to head left and down it, and inside of here, heading far through the tunnel, you can see we're in the underground section now. Walking along it, on the right side over here, you can see it says locked. In my case, it says stronghold key required, but that's just a small glitch. It's actually the utility tunnels locker. I'm pretty sure it's just confused, as there's a stronghold right here. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick video. It's located right here. My name's been TechnoB here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.